Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever part of world you are in or at whatever point you're watching my video. I welcome you all, and in case you're wondering where I was in Welcome Week of university. I'm going to tell you what Welcome Week is all about, but before that I wanted to tell you that how overwhelmed I was with so many students walking up to me and telling me about how useful information on my channel was for them when they were deciding to come to Dundee. And you could have just walked past and I would have never known that you've watched my videos, but thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for your appreciation. I just loved every bit of conversation that we had, and it just makes me so excited to keep doing this, to keep making videos so that you and coming students in coming years get benefited out of it. So thank you to you for stopping by. I am really thankful that you made it a point to come, stop and tell me about it, and I was so happy to meet you all. To begin with, it just came in as a surprise, and I was not able to capture the moments, but I did manage to capture some moments with you at later point in time. I will share those. I will share some glimpses of Welcome Week, but before that, for my viewers who were not there at Welcome Week, let me tell you what Welcome Week is all about. So Welcome Week is a way of university to make you comfortable. You'll literally see a lot of people around the campus. They'll be trying to help you in every manner they can. There are campus tours, there are library tours, there are people at Inquiry Center helping you with your accommodation in university, outside university, helping you with your matriculation, your student ID card, your BRP, helping you with your inquiry related to your studies. When will studies start? How can you get in touch with your school? There were events like Kaylee, there were events like Meet a Friend, wherein there were platforms to enjoy yourself and even meet friends from other countries or same country in your specific course. Like today, they were like schools and cultural societies in Marquee. It's a place where everyone was present, so that you could just walk up to them and talk about your queries. If you want to be part of a cultural group or you want to be part of a club, you could just walk in and inquire about it. If you wanted to know something about your school, like School of Life Sciences, there was School of Education, of course, and I was so proud to stand there and represent our department, because as I've already told you, I'm very proud that I chose University of Dundee for my Masters in Education. You can see my video. I've discussed about it in detail, and so today I got a chance to represent my department, and I was really happy to do that. So you do get opportunities where you can just walk up to people in your department, talk about it. Then there's IT, so you have any issues regarding systems, applications, login, password, and all that. So in that case, you can just walk up to IT. They're just there and discuss your issues and get them resolved. There were career services one of the days. You could just walk up to them, understand what are the kind of services that they provide. There was student union where you could register yourself for various part-time jobs that are available with them, or voluntary jobs that are available. So all this and much more, and of course taking you around the city to places like Body Ferry, McManus Gallery, and many other places. So this is what Welcome Week is all about, and I must say that a lot of efforts go in the entire process to bring so many people together, to arrange everything for students and to make sure that they are well settled in, to ensure that every support is available for them, be it regarding your settlement, be it you missing your home country, be it you having troubles with, say, food or accommodation. You could literally walk up to people, talk about it and feel comfortable. So I was so glad to be part of this. And if you're still making up your mind that whether you should choose Dundee as your university, I am going to now share some glimpses of Welcome Week for you, and then I'll leave it to you to decide. I'm also going to share some glimpses wherein I captured moments with students who've watched my channel already. So stay tuned and let's see.